2 Chronicles 7 verse 14, If my people, who are called by my name, will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven, and I will forgive their sin and will heal their land. James 4 verse 10, Humble yourselves before the Lord, and he will lift you up. 1 Peter 5 verses 6 to 7, Humble yourselves, therefore, under God's mighty hand, that he may lift you up in due time. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. Psalm 147 verse 3, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Proverbs 22 verse 4, Humility is the fear of the Lord, its wages are riches and honor and life. Isaiah 57 verse 15, For this is what the high and exalted one says, He who lives forever, whose name is holy, I live in a high and holy place, but also with the one who is contrite and lowly in spirit, to revive the spirit of the lowly and to revive the heart of the contrite. Matthew 23 verse 12, For those who exalt themselves will be humbled, and those who humble themselves will be exalted. Psalm 34 verse 18, The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Micah 6 verse 8, He has shown you, O mortal, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? To act justly and to love mercy and to walk humbly with your God. Hosea 6 verse 1, Come, let us return to the Lord. He has torn us to pieces, but he will heal us. He has injured us, but he will bind up our wounds. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.